Hi guys, if you are struggling to use Google Play services on an Huawei mobile, here's the easy steps to use complete Play Store and relevant apps as well for your service on Huawei app. Unfortunately, I'm not having any Huawei app, but the process is simple and I will guide you the steps in order to use the Play Store and its services for your Huawei mobile. Any kind of Huawei mobile, you can use Play Store on it, just with and without ads as well. Just search for Gbox on your browser and then click on first link. There you can see the Gbox 2 versions. Click on the stable version and it will ask you to download. Just click on download. As I'm already having the file, so I will just install it. But before that, make sure you have turned on the developer mode of your app, of your mobile. Just go into setting and it appears different in term of the mobile versions and settings. Usually it's in device info. So I search for device model. You can see this pattern is always available on any of the mobile app. Just search for it and then scroll it down and search for the UI version option and then click on it 7 times and it will open the developer mode of your mobile. Then go back to the bundle, the APK, and click on install, then install. It will take few seconds to install the app. It's very convenient, lightweight, and it's not having any ads that will disturb you. So it's installed. It will have a basic check. As you can see, it's secure as well. So agree. Then you can see the first option that you got is some feature in Xbox rely on HMS core. It's Huawei management services, so we need to install it in order to use the services. As and I don't have any need at this moment, so I will skip it. And yeah, so here you can see all the apps are available that are installed in my mobile, and here I can search for any of the Google services like Google Go and other services as well. You need to log in with your Gmail account and then you will be able to use it for any kind of purposes or things. It's showing me notifications again and again. So here you can see, by staying within this app I can use the Play Store, which means if you want to use two Play Stores you can keep it one here and this one is here. So if you are using non-Huawei phone, for Huawei phone you can use any of the application within staying the app. You can see it's not logged in, and if I see in settings I have tribes that are active and working. So this is the easy steps to use the Google Play Store services on your mobile, and hope to see you in more videos. Thank you for watching the video, and